Well, I made my schematic, and then I made a sketch, and then I tried to make it, and it's tough. It's really tough. It's dense, and I don't know, I'm about 75% done. I gotta ring it out. That is, verify the connections, make sure everything's working the way it should be, and hope that it comes together in the same way. I mean, the breadboard worked perfectly, 3 volts on a puff and 1.5 on idle, and the break was instant. So I'm hoping I'll get the same result. But as usual, there's always something that goes haywire in these things, and they're so small. This is why you do PC boards. I just don't know how to yet, so I've got problems. I have needs. All right, that's it for the day. It's time to go. Corvettes won the Le Mans 24-hour race in their class. That's pretty neat. And I guess we're going to have a quiet evening with whatever. Probably more air disasters, or looking through aerial America or something. I don't know. We usually try not to do anything too exciting. Okay, later, gang.